What is that? Is that a tree? There are many trees. Welcome to Central Park. Today is very exciting that we're finally going to see our new apartment. Today we're coming to the Upper West Side to finally see our new apartment. So we walked all the way from Midtown. It's a very long journey. Here we go. And here we are, we're almost there. Welcome to my new place! As you can see in my back, there are 1, 2, 3 locks. Well, you have to know that New York has not always been the safest place in history, and this is a more historical building. Therefore, we keep the tradition and still have all the locks there. Alright, come on. And now we're walking into the living space. It's a studio apartment, and in New York, surprisingly, now that I moved to Munich, it's also the same situation. Places are very small, but you can do some magic. This entire space, pay attention ladies and gentlemen, is your living room, bedroom, and also your dining area. What's really amazing about this place is that given how small the apartment is, the closet is actually quite big. So let's have a look here. Look, it's a very deep closet. From a New York standard, we can call it a guest room. Come, come, come. So in New York City, one of a very signature building feature is this, the fire escape. And if you watch a lot of New York movies, you must be familiar with the scene that the gangster, the mafia came over, and you, as a key character of the movie, have to escape from the fire escape. Now may I introduce to you my brand new kitchen. It's fully renovated with actually a cute style. And we also have a window here in the kitchen. All right, come, come, come. Now, welcome to my new bedroom. So as you can see here, everything is actually newly renovated, and I really try to maximize the storage space. So then up here you have a storage, and down here underneath the vanity there's also the storage space. And that is all for the tour today. I hope you have a little fun and share my excitement. I'll see you next time.